Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw Paper Mario. Let's get started, okay? It's gonna be simple, easy for beginners. Oh, first thing I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna start with his nose, and he's gonna be in that kind of pose that he's always in. He's kind of like this jumping pose. It's gonna be like a backwards C. Right now I'm playing that origami game. I forget what it's called, origami, but Paper Mario origami or something like that. Really fun game. Line right here, right there in the front for the front of his face. Kind of around this point, I'm gonna curve back and curve down, 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 down. For kind of that mustache underneath. Sweet. So far, so good. Gonna go around here, around the back of the brim of the hat. We're gonna find that brim of the hat, okay? So over here, I'm gonna draw like a slightly curved line over kind of the eye area, pulling out, down, back of the hat. Line over here for the top of the brim of that hat. And right here, I'm gonna curve back a bit. I'm excited for the Mario movie too, by the way. That's another thing that kind of brought Mario to mind, was the Mario movie. I'm gonna go over here, curve to the top. Sometimes I'll go through, what I've always wanted to do was draw every single Mario character from the Mario universe, but sometimes I didn't get enough views. But if you do want to see that, let me know in the comments. There is a Mario playlist, and I would love to fill it in with all the obscure stuff from like every Mario game. I probably will do that for my own enjoyment, to be honest. Somebody will enjoy it, right? Dot right there, kind of elongated dot for one eye. Gonna go over here, kind of pull the C of that nose a little bit more, and then I'm gonna do the other eye. It's gonna be a little bit hidden. Gonna go back here, pull down. Gonna go over here for the we're gonna find his his sideburn. So it's gonna be touching where that hat ends up. Curve down. And number 3 over here, and it's gonna pull up. Gonna find his ear now, which is almost as big as his nose. So I'm gonna go over here, but this one's gonna be a proper C shape. Something like that. And then I'm going to throw a curve underneath. So I'm going to go all the way from under the mustache here. And it's going to curve right here. Line underneath up. Line over here for the mouth. Curve for like the inner ear. Line over here. It's like a Y shape. Don't forget, by the way, hit the subscribe and hit the bell notification if you like learning how to draw. I'm posting videos every day. In the morning, I'm posting like a traditional drawing like this, and then in the evening, I'm posting Procreate drawing lessons, okay? So if you're interested in either one of those, absolutely hit the subscribe. And bell notification as well. Curve over here for kind of the back portion of the hat. And then over here on this side, kind of a bigger bump on this side. Gonna go over here, circle, and then I'm gonna go over here and just throw the M simply on the hat right there. So we got his face down pretty good so far. I'm digging it. Let's go over here and find the kind of circle for his torso. Well, yeah, circle for his torso. It's going to be like a C shape as well. So over here, you're going to find that like pretty much on all these characters, the bodies are smaller than the head, or at least close. Before we do that, I'm going to go find the arm, which is coming out of here. Line out. Line out over here. Curve down here for the edge of the glove. Curve over here for the thumb. line, and circle here for the glove. It almost looks like a boxing glove, right? And then we're gonna kind of tidy up the edge of that. Gonna go over here, find the back of the hair, coming down here. Maybe those lines can meet. Sweet, sweet. So far, so good. Don't forget, if you want to learn maybe how to draw something cute, as far as like a cute chibi type character, kind of similar to Mario, there are proportions to drawing something cute, and it's very, very specific. It's not just like a big head. It's like a big head, but big eyes, but smaller mouth. There's like a formula to that, and I put that formula in an ebook, and that ebook is in the description right now. Go take a look. You have to find it though. I don't remember which link it is, but you're gonna get a free ebook. It's a very, very short explanation of kind of, it's like in a graph. I put it as a visual graph, so you just look at it and you're like, okay, cool, now I generally know what to do. Bigger head, big eyes, and obviously there's different formulas to that, but it's pretty much nearly the same thing everywhere. Go pick that up if you're interested in drawing chibi stuff all the time, because you can turn anything you want into a chibi form. But yeah, let's go over here to the foot now. So curve line out, down for kind of the shoe. Line downward right there for the boot a little bit. And we're gonna do curve down for the shoe itself. Pull back. Curve up. Gonna throw a line up over here. And so you have that boot aiming downward, right? Because he's jumping. We're gonna have the same boot on this side. Curve over here, looks like a bread. It's gonna be the same shoe as that. Down here. Line over here, up. Line down. For the bottom of the shoe. And the same as that. Cool, cool. And his hand is gonna be behind his face over here. So we're gonna find his glove. So we're gonna draw his thumb, whatever you can see of it. Knuckle down, curve, line over here. Line over here folded. Line down here for his arm. Little square piece for his his kind of overalls. Curve right here under his armpit. Circle for the buttons on the overalls. And maybe we can draw this line over here. There we go. And then we're gonna draw these elongated dots on one glove, and there you go. If you want to throw an extra thing on here, I'm going to throw an extra thick line around the outside of him. I just do that on my own drawings generally, but I'm really going to do it for him because he kind of has it. He has it like in the game itself. So you want to throw an extra thick line around everything. And an extra thick line to encapsulate the entire design. I want to thank you very much for watching. You are amazing. Do not forget, if you basically made like your own coloring book page here, but if you like coloring books, go take a look at the coloring books that I offer. They are on Amazon. It's the very first link. It's the very, very first link in the description. Go take a look at that right now. I'm going to be adding to it all the time. Probably going to add one a week if I can. You are amazing. And you know what? Let's fill in this right here so you can see the back of his mouth. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video, and I'll talk to you soon.